William, you finally meet Charlie. By the way, Charlie would hold his own against you in a fight because he does jiu-jitsu.
Ooh.
You guys would mess each other up. If you go to the ground, you're toast, dude.
Hi.
You excited to see your house?
Yeah. You're gonna love it.
All right. Hey, everybody. William John Ray back with another episode of Design and Invest. This is a grand reveal video, my first one. I'm surprised I haven't done more of these. I'm with the homeowners right now, Anthony and Francis and their beautiful children. Also part of the Filipino Connect, which is strong here in LA. But I told them to stay away from their property for a while. The kids haven't seen it for probably 2 weeks. I wanted to just do sort of a reveal because this is a situation where I'm hooking them up with furniture, the whole package, A to Z. So they can literally start moving in tonight if they wanted to. Place is ready for them, and they get to see it, and we get to see the reactions real time. So let's jump in, kids. You ready? Ready? Move that bus! No, I'm just kidding. Let's jump in. Oh, it's Chris coming?
Yeah, he said he'd be here around this time, around 5.
First of all, I know you kids picked colors. Do you like them?
Yes.
Is this how you envisioned it?
Yes.
Yeah? Nice. All right. A lot different than it was, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait till you see the inside. Wait till you see
You're
the
gonna love the
rooms.
inside.
And William has a special gift for you,
Yeah,
Charlie.
here, this is a sneak peek.
Alrighty, guys, come on in. Get out.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a hotel. Wow.
Oh, that's so good. I'm just gonna block this off for a second.
Yeah, Charlie can't see his room yet. You gotta see it after. See your bathroom first.
Oh, this is my bathroom.
Yeah.
You have to share it.
You have to share it. You have to share it.
What do you think? Cool?
Yeah.
Like it?
I'm just gonna block this off.
Yeah. And look, see, this is the little art sort of thing.
Oh my God,
Like
no,
mirrors.
So good. I
Little
love
safari
it.
human.
No, I love it. Little island vibe.
Cool. Yeah, see, it all works, right?
Yes.
The space works. I'm so glad I was able to talk you out of making Charlie's bedroom your kitchens because this little dude needs his own
Yeah.
space. He needs his own
100%.
room. So this is fantastic. The appliances worked out great. Everything fit perfectly.
Which bedroom should we start with first?
Which bedroom should we? You want to go straight to Charlie's?
No.
Let's save that one to the end.
Girls' room?
All right, girls' room. Girls, go in there.
Ladies first.
Go check
Ladies
it out.
first.
This is your.
Wow.
Wow. There's no mattresses on it right now. But
Wait, should I open it?
Tomorrow.
no.
Oh.
No, you're not allowed to look at this, but
I wouldn't want new rugs. I didn't like the rugs that we had, so.
you're not. None of you are allowed to open this just yet. After we're done with the video, okay?
Do you like it? And your desk got that?
Well, I love my desk. You look good. Yeah. You guys are not allowed to open this
Okay.
until the video's up.
Okay.
You should-
Oh, wow. Oh, Willsy.
And then,
Cute, huh?
Okay.
And I got a surprise for you
LED
too.
lights.
So I wasn't able to hang them, but I also don't know how you want them. So maybe this is a project for you and your daddy.
Okay.
So these are LED lights. You could change them whatever color you want. Very, very cool. So we'll put those there.
Okay, let's.
All right.
And then you have your own closet. There's still the AC guy.
Okay. Okay.
Still got to tie in a couple things, but
No worries.
yeah. And then you have blackout curtains. So your roller shades are all blackout. At nighttime, they're truly, truly blackout. Right now, you see a little
Okay.
light in the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
If that bugs you, they sell these little L channels, but honestly, like you're not gonna see anything at night.
Okay.
There's no filtration through it.
Okay.
It's just blackout.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
You like that? You like that?
like
Oh wait,
it?
there's a surprise too. Your mommy and daddy bought you something. Look at this. Look at this. What is that? Wow. I wasn't gonna assemble it because you girls have to assemble. This is your
Okay.
project. Your first
You gotta
project.
put that.
There. It'll fit right there.
Okay, perfect. We'll figure it out.
Let's put it there right now.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, see, it'll fit.
And look, your beds have your own space too. So you want to put whatever you want in here.
You love
This is
it.
yours.
I
This is
know.
yours. Tell her stay on your side. You can draw a line right down the middle like I used to do with my brother.
Who's gonna be on which
Okay, you
side?
guys can fight over the bed. It's up to you guys to fight over the beds.
You like it?
Let's go to.
Can you share this room with your little sister?
Yeah.
You gonna be happy for a little while?
We're gonna have some rules.
Okay.
A few inches later.
Now turn them.
Whoa.
Whoa!
I got you some new dinosaurs.
Yes.
I got you some new dinosaurs.
You say what?
I got a more new dinosaurs.
Pretty rad, huh? This is all yours,
I
buddy?
also got you a keychain for your backpack.
It works, right? Yeah, it works. The shelves came.
We also
with
got some
two late
Funko Pops for you.
but you can start it. But we're gonna. What do you think, buddy?
It's amazing.
You're happy, Bear?
Yeah.
Okay. Like your closet.
And then you have storage underneath too,
Yeah.
and you have your own closet. By the way, a bunch of Amazon stuff came in. I just shoved it.
Okay.
I didn't open.
Thank you.
There's also a couple. Those are here.
And you're private, dude. You're on the whole side, your own side of the house too. Yeah.
On his own way.
And then this controls all your stuff.
Yeah.
By the way, there's a big spool in the back. I just kind of just lit up one area. You
Okay.
can draw all over the place if you want. There's still
Okay.
another like 50 feet of it.
Oh wow.
You can change the color to whatever color you
There.
want. Blue.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, we did. We did.
Cool, dude.
So good.
Now it's
Oh my
the
god.
last bedroom.
Okay, the last bedroom.
All right, the master bedroom.
Wow.
Mommy and Daddy's room.
Let's
guys.
go.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Like a little
You like it?
Love it. Yes, for the gun.
That's a good corner for your bike, by the way. If you wanted to put your bike in that corner.
Oh,
I almost put it. I don't know where they're.
No worries.
There is a scavenger hunt for you guys.
Oh, the red one?
One
The
item.
red-
Yeah.
Okay.
Use that over.
I was for a while,
It's
yeah.
not a bad place for it.
She's nice.
Yeah. And then you have a dimmer in here.
Say no.
Oh, Anthony likes the dimmer.
Ooh, look, there you go.
And these are blackout as well. All the bedrooms have blackout. Go check out the bathroom. Look at your.
Okay.
Look at the bathroom, guys.
No, he's right. One I did Charlie was the first ever night.
Oh, it is. We're gonna paint it black.
Let's paint this.
Don't paint that part. You like that? Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, we have these at school. Yeah, that's awesome. It came nice. It'll be
Right?
nice. Yeah. You just gotta get the right sort of rubbery kind of rubberized thing.
You're gonna have to help me.
I'll send you Amazon.
Okay.
In the video that we did earlier, I was saying you could easily convert this to an ADU later too if you wanted to, because you have the zoning. And you just section that off with the parking range.
Show you guys things.
Just started my job.
The controller inside of there.
Yeah, it's Wi-Fi, guys.
Yeah. But you could probably just zap stuff to a Bluetooth. Like on your phone over there.
Oh, yeah.
Just gotta sort of tether in. Just need the mattresses and you're good to go. Aren't you? I bought some new rugs. I bought a new rug for here and I bought a new rug for the living room too.
That's my dad. I think this might be real cow. No, that's white. That's white. That's white. You guys can change colors.
What? The whole thing,
You watch this. This is one of my favorite ones because it can do this. Watch this, bro. It can swing. Oh yeah, I've seen it. Oh, cute.
That was a lot of challenging things are just getting sort of AC on this side of the house. All right, guys, got another one in the books. This one is a very happy family. You see the kids running around. This is what homes should be like. This is why I do this, so I can enjoy it with the families. This is great. They brought food. You got to meet the family, talk to them a little bit, see their reaction, which I love. I'm really pleased with the project. They're very pleased, on time, on budget, everything worked out, and you know, keys handed back over to them. This one is gone. We're off to the next one. Remember, guys, design, invest, and repeat.